How to add unlike fractions? Unlike fractions means denominator will be different. Okay, in both fractions denominator will be different. Okay, here we have 5 by 8 plus 6 by 4. Okay, 5 by 8 plus 6 by 4. First we have to take the LCM of denominator 8 and 4. Okay, here I am taking 8 into table, 2 4s and 2 2s. Again we have to take 2 2s, 2 1s. Again 2 1s, 2 1s. Okay, this is 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, it will become 8. Okay, 8 is the LCM of these two denominators. We have to take denominator 8 on top 5 and here plus 6. In 8 table 8 will go one time, that is 5 into 1. In 4 table 8 will go, that is in 2 times, that is 6 into 2. Okay, 5 ones are 5 plus 6 twos are 12. Okay, it is become 5 plus 12 by 8 and it is 17 by 8. Okay, the sum of 5 by 8 plus 6 by 4 is 17 by 8. Okay, this is the process of adding unlike fractions. Okay, thank you.